Okay, so here are a couple problems from the WeBWorK homework number 14. So this is problem number 11. So our f of t is e 5t minus 10. It's a unit step function, so we have u of t minus 2. Now if you look at this right here and this, there's a bit of a relationship here. So in other words, we can actually do if t to the 5 of t, I'm sorry, e to the 5 times t minus 2 times u t minus 2. So it's already kind of given to us. And so, with the form that we've been given, 2 is our a. So we always look for the e to the negative as times the Laplace transform of ft. So if we use 2 as our a, we get e to the negative 2s times the Laplace transform of e. And if we technically use 5 as our a here, because this is our t, we get 1 over s minus 5, because we use the form s minus a. And we could just simplify that to e to the negative 2s over s minus 5. Pretty simple. Now let's move down a little bit. We have problem number 12 now. So our f of t is equal to 4, getting a little ahead of myself, 4t times u t minus 9. Now since they aren't in the same form, we have to rewrite this as 4 times t plus 9 times u to the t minus 9. So if we leave the 4 out, we get the 4 out front. And if we use the t first, we'll look at just the t first. The Laplace transform of t is 1 over s squared, because it's, if you use t to the n, it's n factorial over s to the n plus 1. And our n here is just 1. And if we're using our unit step, our a is 9, so we have e to the negative 9s times 1 over s squared. Now we have to do the same thing with the 9. You can kind of just bring the 9 up front and pretend it's a 1. So again, we have the e negative 9s, and if it's a 1, we know it's just 1 over s. If we were to distribute everything in, we would get 4 e to the negative 9s for s squared plus 36 e to the negative 9s over s, and that is our answer. Alright, so I have one more, number 14. Our f of t that we've been given is e to the 4t cosine t. Now, if you're given something like this, I'm going to go off to the side for a second. If we're given something like this, we're following the form of the Laplace transform. E to the at, f of t, and that is equal to the f of s minus a. So, if we're looking at just the Laplace transform of cosine t, that is equal to s for s squared plus a squared, which a squared is 1, as we know by looking at this. So we can just erase this and just put 1. So now if we look back over here, our a is equal to 4. So the Laplace transform of this is equal to s minus 4. So this is what we put in for our s over s minus 4 squared plus 1. So for our cosine, a equals 1. And then this is still our s, if that makes sense. Okay? So these are 3 problems. Hope they helped you out a little bit. Makes a little bit more sense why the answers are the way they are. And good luck on the final exam.